Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna be making an otter. So we're just going to start with a magic ring. We're gonna wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're gonna hook under the first one and hook over into the second one. Then we're gonna finish it with a chain. And that is a magic ring. Next, we are going to make single crochet. So we're gonna insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull the yarn out. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. That is a single crochet. Since we need 8 for this round, we're going to make 7 more. When you're done, then you can just pull the yarn to close the magic ring. And we are going to continue into the second round. So for the second round, we are going to make increase. For increase, we have to make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So I'm just gonna start with a single crochet first. We're gonna put the stitch marker so we know where the beginning is. Then still on the same stitch, we are going to make 1 more single crochet. That is an increase, and we're gonna continue making increase until we reach the end of this round. Moving on into the third round. In this round, we are going to make a single crochet and an increase. So we're gonna start with a single crochet first. Then on the next stitch, we are going to make increase. And that is the pattern for this round, single crochet and increase. And we're just gonna continue with that pattern until we reach the end of this round. Now for round 4 until round 6, we're just gonna fill each stitch with a single crochet. Into the next round. In this round, we are going to make 3 single crochet and increase. So we're just gonna start with 3 single crochet first. Then on the next stitch, we are going to make an increase. And that is the pattern for this round, 3 single crochet and increase. And we're just gonna continue with that pattern until we reach the end of this round. Before finishing the last stitch for round 7, we are going to change the yarn into a brown yarn. And we're just gonna continue into the next round. For round 8 and round 9, we're just gonna fill each stitch with a single crochet. To secure the brown yarn, I'm just gonna tie it with the white yarn. Also, since we no longer need the white yarn, we can just cut it off. Now we're gonna continue into round 10, and we're just gonna start with 12 single crochet. For the hands, we are going to make bobble stitch. We're gonna wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the stitch, yarn over and pull the yarn out. We are going to yarn over again and pull the yarn through the first and the second loops. Now there are 2 loops on your hook, and we're gonna repeat the process. So wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the stitch, yarn over and pull the yarn out. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the first and the second loops. Now there are 3 loops on your hook. We're gonna repeat the process until we have 5 loops on our hook. When you have 5 loops on your hook, you can just yarn over and pull through all the loops. So that is a bobble stitch. We're just gonna continue with 5 single crochet. Then for the second hand, we are going to make another bobble stitch. We're gonna continue with 11 single crochet. Continue into the next round. In this round, we're just gonna be making single crochet for each stitch. For round 12, we're going to make the feet, and we're just gonna start with 12 single crochet. Then we are going to make a bobble stitch. Continue with 5 single crochet. Then we are going to make another bobble stitch. Finish with 11 single crochet. Next, we are going to place the eyes. I'm using 5mm plastic eyes, and I'm placing it between round 5 and round 6, 3 stitches apart. We're gonna continue into round 13, and in this round, we're just gonna fill each stitch with a single crochet. Into the next round. In this round, we are going to make 3 single crochet and decrease. So we're just gonna start with 3 single crochet first. And for a decrease, we are going to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch and also the stitch next to it. Yarn over and pull the yarn through. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. So that is a decrease, and we're just gonna continue with the pattern of 3 single crochet and decrease until we reach the end of this round. For round 15, we are going to make a single crochet and a decrease. So we're gonna start with a single crochet. Then we are going to make a decrease next. And that is the pattern for this round, a single crochet and a decrease. And we're just gonna go with that pattern until we reach the end of this round. Next, we are going to insert the stuffing. And for the next round, we're just gonna be making decrease until we reach the end of this round. We are going to make the tail next, and for round 17 until round 22, we're just gonna be making single crochet for each stitch. I'm gonna add a bit of stuffing for the tail. We can just cut the yarn and weave in the ends. So you're done with the body and the tail. Next we are going to make the ears. And for the ears, we're just gonna start with a magic ring. Then we are going to make 6 single crochet. Pull the yarn to close the ring, and that is basically it for the ear. We can just cut the yarn, but we're gonna leave a long tail for sewing. And we are going to make one more for the other ear. And for the ears, I'm just gonna sew it between round 3 and round 6. Don't forget to secure the yarns and weave in the ends. For the nose, I'm just gonna make a letter T using a black yarn. And to complete the look, I'm just gonna add some blush. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!